Hey guys, welcome back to LJ Woodworks. In this video, with Halloween coming, I figured I'd give you guys an idea for your fall craft fair tables. So we're going to be making a couple little ghosts. Stick around and see how it goes. So here I'm mounting up a poplar dowel that I picked up at Menards for 10 bucks. Cut off about 5 inches and mounted it up on the lathe. We're going to true up that edge and get our dovetail set so we can mount it up in the truck. Now this is something I like to use. I use the tailstock to get it centered back up before tightening the chuck up all the way. Lock it down, tighten the chuck up, and then we'll slide the tailstock out of the way. Now I'm just going to measure up for my ghost size. I use 2 3/4 inches, but you can use whatever size you like. Set our back edge. Now here we're going to use our spindle rough and gouge to set our basic shape. Get it round first, then set the basic shape, and then we'll switch over to the spindle gouge to clean it up. I should probably add in that the first time I made these little ghosts, I did one for the wife about 2 years ago. And then she went and showed her friends. And shortly after that I had to make, I believe it was about 8 or 9 more, because they all thought it was just so cute. If you do decide to make some and put them on your craft show table, you'll have to let me know how they do. Just throwing in a quick sneak peek of what it's going to look like. I forgot I had the camera facing the wrong way, so that's why that was vertical. Now this is just the initial sanding. Since I used the skew, I was able to start with 220. Now here I'm just measuring for the eyes and mouth. From the top I go down 1 inch for the eyes, right there, 1.5 inches for the mouth. Just like that. Now I don't remember exactly what this measurement is, just pick something that looks good to you. Quarter inch.
there.
I don't think I said it here, but I use a 5/16 for the mouth.
Again, Unicorn Spirit Black.
I've already hit it with the sanding sealer, so here comes the deft lacquer. And now it's time to start making the hat. Here's where you can get as creative as you want. You could do top hats like I did, you can do wizard hats, you can do Viking helmets with horns. Pretty much sky's the limit. Have fun with it. And here's sneak peek number 2. Again, I forgot the angle the camera was at, so that's why it's vertical. So you can see you can offset the hats, you can put them straight on, anything you want to do. I added in the horizontal cameras. I know a lot of people are not comfortable using the skew, so I figure maybe with this angle you can at least see how I use it. And we're back to sanding. I typically start out around 180 and take it all the way up to 400. Just moving through the grits. And back to our deft lacquer. When I use this, I typically do 4 coats. Now I must have forgot to hit the record button, but to get the hat on top of the ghost, just use some CA glue. If you made it this far in the video, you are awesome. I typically release new videos on Wednesdays, so consider subscribing. Hit the like button. If you feel like it, leave a comment. I love reading them. Thanks much. Enjoy some glamour shots here at the end.